So you guys, my hair is a complete mess. It is almost reverted back in the back, but because it has been another 2 weeks, which this would be the end of my month 1, I want to do a length check for y'all since I've been doing a grow and slay challenge. I'm gonna see if I can get a good length check. I might not do it in the back because, like, y'all, I'm pretty sure it looks terrible back there. So yeah. We're gonna attempt this, and I try to put on the same shirt for the most part, but we're gonna see. So I have this camera too tall. So y'all, my armpit start right here, so probably at about, we're gonna say about the middle of the A would be my armpit. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can find a good piece of hair. Some of it's still straight, some of it's just in between functions. So this is so bad, y'all. I'm washing it right after this video. So this is the front now. I want to say, if this is my armpit, it's almost armpit level in the front. Almost there. And as you can see, the A, so. And up here with my bang area, this is like really a mess. It seems about the same, but I do have a lot of new growth up there, and it's not straight at all at my roots. So I'm trying to tug on it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure my back is too bad to even show y'all the back of it. I'd rather blow it out or something, but I will be getting my hair straightened again probably, I want to say the end of December or the middle of December. I'm not sure yet, but then I will do a proper length check for y'all. So I just wanted to show y'all what it was looking like.